Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do an unboxing of the Instant Ace Plus blender by Instant Pot. And with that, we'll go ahead and get started. It looks like it comes with some reusable and machine washable bags for use to filter out things like nut milk or large particles when you want a smooth puree. And then we'll go ahead and take everything out of the box. Of course, it comes with a user manual. List all the parts. The smart programs. It has a self-cleaning feature. It looks like it gives you some general instructions for cold and hot blending. It looks like it comes with its own cleaning brush. I guess you'll use that after the self-clean feature or maybe before. We're probably going to do a review video on how to clean it later. And here's the base. It looks like this has some pretty standard features. There's a smoothie button, a crushed ice button, which most blenders have. One thing I like is this nut butter button, and it looks like it has 3 different types of milk buttons. There's a nut or oat milk, a rice milk, and a pre-programmed soy milk button. There's a puree. Because this can cook things heated, there's also a soup program on here, and it also lets you adjust the time and temperature. And it gives you the option to change the blend speeds, and it looks like there's also a delayed start, so if you wanted to throw some things in and have a soup ready by the time you got home from work, it looks like it's able to do that. All in all, I'd say this looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put it on the countertop and see how it fits there. So now we're going to compare the Ace blender to our old normal Cuisinart blender, and it looks like the Ace blender has a 6-cup hot liquid capacity and a 7-cup cold capacity versus the Cuisinart, which only has 6 cups. Something else I want to draw your attention to is this is what the normal blender blade looks like. You can see how thin it is. We're going to compare this to the blade in the Instant Pot Ace blender, and you'll see how this has 6 blades instead of 4, and also how much thicker those are. So this should be able to crush ice and things a lot better than the old one. When it comes to size, it looks like the Instant Pot Ace Plus is a little bit bigger than the standard blender, but it looks like it still fits nice and snugly on a countertop underneath some cabinets, so that's pretty good. I can't wait to try this out. Join us next week when we're going to be making some vegetable soup in the Instant Pot Ace Plus blender. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.